Maayong gabi mga Lods! For this video, I want to share with you
Sir MG Vlogs, Sir MG Vlogs.
sa school nga pala, yung teacher namin nagsagawa ng discrimination at first time ko yung gawin. I don't know why until now na it flashed back on my mind that a certain discrimination piece entitled Land of Bandits, Land of Free. For sort of review, kung ito ay nangyari long time ago during the Spanish era o Spaniard time, nasakop yung ating Pilipinas, yung ating bansa sa mga Spaniard, and there's one Filipino who pushed through to fight his right, and this is my most favorite part. Give me land to own, land and behold to any tyrant, land that will be free. Give me land that my children may not die. Sell to me, as a free man sells to the other, and that usurer sells to sleep. I am poor, but I will pay for it. I will work until I fall. From awareness for my privilege, inalienable rights to be free. But if you not grant me this last request, this ultimate demand, and build a wall around your house, build it high, build it strong, place on every parapet, for I who been silent these 300 years will come in the night, you're feasting with my cry and my bolo at your door, and may God have mercy on your soul.